Good morning, ladies and gents. Thanks for tuning into another watch list video brought to you by FTX. If you don't have an FTX account, feel free to use the link in the description below and you'll receive 10% off your trading fees. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. So we are currently up 0.7%, which is not much, but we've only been open for an hour. So we're sort of just still bouncing around on this support level at around the 28,600 mark. Yeah, it's around the $30,000 mark. We're struggling to get above that, or struggling to stay above that. But if we have a look at this support level, it does go back a fair way, back from the start of last year. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do spend some more time here, similar to what we saw back here in May, where we dropped down, rejected, and then just crab walked. So that's sort of what I'm expecting. Again, I wouldn't be surprised if we do see some further selling off back below this level and another push back up, but only time will tell. At the moment, there's nothing really there on Bitcoin. The 4-hour chart is a mess. Let's have a look at the one. The one is similar. We're starting to get, we do have this bit of a level that we're working down into, but I guess, there's no real trades there for me at the moment. Ethereum is much the same as Bitcoin, a nice rejection off this daily level, and we've just been crab walking for the last week or so. The 4-hour chart doesn't look that great. Let's have a look at the one. And the one as well, the cyclicity is just not that great. We did drop down, pulled back a little bit, drop down again. I'd like to see it continue further down and then pull back into that cradle zone before anything will present itself. Now, Alice is one that I did want to talk about. I do have orders raised for this one on the daily. It looks like they should have triggered by now. So a really nice pullback on this daily time frame. Bearish candle in that cradle zone. The 2-day is good, MACD is good, everything's good. So yeah, orders raised. Hopefully I've got a fill on that. I know some people in the community had orders raised for this one as well. So yeah, fingers crossed that one works out. Ascendex as well. We had a really nice pullback into that cradle zone, a bearish candle. I liked Alice a little bit more compared to this one. This one seems a little bit thinly traded, but if you are trading a really small account size, then that shouldn't bother you too much. But yeah, that's there. Not, it could have pulled back a little bit deeper. That would have been nice, but we are in and around that cradle zone. Dash is on the 1 hour, I believe. Possibly the 4. Yeah, let's have a look. So the 4 hour, we've got a nice level forming here. What I'd like to see is a break and pull back to that level in that cradle zone before I'd be looking at taking a trade there. The MACD has a lot more work to do as well. IOTA was, we pulled back into that cradle zone. Yesterday's daily candle was way too big for me to enter a trade on. But what we can do is look at these lower time frames and wait for a nice trend to form. Like we've got this nice pullback on the 1 hour and we've dropped a little bit lower. So another pullback into that cradle zone. It would be great if we could get that back by a level as well, but failing that, a nice pullback, bearish candle, nice and small in that cradle zone is what we're after. And compound token is working down into this level. Let's have a look at the 2. Yeah, the 2 hour looks nice. We've had 3 tests already. A break back into that cradle zone is what we're after. So a bit of a small watch list for today. We'll see what the markets do today, whether we see more selling off, but we are in that zone on Bitcoin where we have rejected a few times. So we could go either way. Just manage your risk correctly. And yeah, let's see what today brings. Good morning, Keith and Dan and Daniel, Donna. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, do you guys, I don't think you guys have any questions at the moment. But yeah, there's interesting times. We're sitting around that funny area on Bitcoin. And we know that most of the market, follows suit of Bitcoin. If we move higher on Bitcoin, most of the market does the same thing. So yeah, we'll see if we can break and retest this. Morning, Rory. Yeah, so that's a bit of a quick video for today, guys. Small watch list, but if you are in the community, I'll keep you tuned on what we're watching. Yeah, nice, Dan. I hope you got a fill as well. on Alice. I'll have to check after this stream to see how we go. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. I'll chat to you guys soon.